We are in Ocho Rios today. We decided that we were going to take a little bit of a drive out, especially because our curfew has been extended by all of 2 hours on a Saturday. So we had to touch the road, you know what I mean? We wanted to go and find one of our regular spots to have something to eat while we were here. But then we came across a post by Me Hungry on Instagram and realized that they had an outlet or a branch in Ocho Rios. We were introduced to their cuisine a couple years ago at an event, and ever since then we've wanted to find them again. We've even made plans to go to the one in Kingston, but how lucky it is that we found them in Ocho Rios. So we ordered the pizza or the pleaser. They spell it Pleaza. I don't know how they pronounce it. And I just want to tell you what's in the crust. Let me tell you about the crust. First of all, you're not going to taste anything that you taste in another kind of pizza. The crust is made of grains and seeds. They have this nut cheese that they make from sunflower seeds, and it's all dehydrated. It's very crisp, it's very thin, and that's what the crust consists of. We ordered the mountainous, which gives us additional toppings. So we had toppings like avocado, ripe plantains, pineapple, lettuce, sun-dried tomatoes, olives, seaweed, and any other sea vegetable that you can think of. And to top it all, we had ackee as well. Mark you, this ackee is raw. Not cooked, no heat, nothing. You know, in Jamaica we have this thing about raw ackee. Yes, you can eat ackee raw, for those of you who didn't know. And we had this a couple years ago and we're still alive. So we had that for our lunch. What was the experience like in terms of actually consuming this pizza? Now, it's sort of left us a bit speechless actually, because when you take the first bite, you can't believe that all the flavors combined just have this taste to it that makes you feel as if you're consuming something clean, something healthy, something that is good for you. Your mouth is left feeling clean. You don't have any of that greasy aftertaste. Your stomach doesn't feel any of that upset afterwards. It just has this very clean feeling. No, as if the pleaser wasn't enough, to wash it down we had lemonade. Now, you know, in Jamaica when you think of lemonade, you just think of little water, lime or lime juice and sugar. I can't quite explain the lemonade. I just know they use something called palm water, and trust me, it's a different experience altogether. You taste a little touch of something acidic like the lemon juice or the lime juice or whatever it is. I don't even taste sugar, but the first sip that I took, I pulled my head back and I was like, what is this? Only to look over and Ariana's was 90% finished. I just say, you asked too late. She never even moved the bottle from her mouth. I'm carrying home the rest of mine to chill and enjoy the rest of it. But me hungry? Yeah. If you're hungry, you need to visit Me Hungry. And if you're thirsty, they have lots of natural juice options. We will be back. Maybe not at this location, but they do have one in Mandeville as well. And of course, we are still yet to visit the one in Kingston. But we will be back. Putting this on our list of options for food anytime we find ourselves in the vicinity where they might be.